Well, hello there. I am the Reddit user Jim-tasticness, and today I'm at the medical facility where I work, and it's a little bit quiet today. There's a little construction going on, so not a lot of patients today. So I thought I would do a little video shave. Today is MFing Monday, where we use products we hate. Now, we don't know what's going to happen. I'm at work. You can probably hear the construction. But we will see what we can get through today in our stuff that we hate. So let's start off with our soap. Sorry, calling it out. Tabac, whatever, however it's pronounced. It stinks. Our aftershave is going to be this Floyd orange stuff. I can't pronounce it. Messaginu, that one. Our fragrance is going to be a lot of construction at the hospital today. Our fragrance is going to be Mountain Man from Sterling. Stank. Ooh. Our razor is going to be this piece of garbage from Waishi. It looks fancy, but it's not. It's adjustable. It has 7 levels of discomfort. So we'll use that. And then our brush today is a DS Cosmetic in the world's most generic handle. I think this is a silver tip, 26 millimeter silver tip. Never used this before, but I was running out of brushes, so this is the one that we're using today. So let's get to using. We'll get our brush wet. Now I know you guys have all read my Jim-tasticness's SOTD shave of the day write-ups during the Lather games, and you know, a lot of them are pretty gory and pretty out there. Some of the most extremes of the spectrum that you might ever hear, and that's not a everyday occurrence around the medical facility here. That's just every once in a while, but I've been around a while, and so a lot of those stories stick out. But most days, like today, pretty quiet. So this soap, right away, stank, cheap musk. Nothing worse than cheap musk. It's nasty. I think we got some brush dank in there, mixing in with it as well. Doesn't look particularly shiny yet. The brush seems to be okay. We'll see how it feels on the skin. It feels a little soft. Could be the treated tips, could be just the backbone of it. We'll see. This is the first time I've used it. So we're starting to get some lather working up there. Let's, with my stories, back to that, it's one of those things that you just come to accept in the medical profession. And you get a little bit immune to it sometimes, but in the moment, it can be pretty bad. And as you read in my write-ups, sometimes it's just the most extreme versions of neglect and mental health issues and addiction, and really people let themselves go, and then by the time they get in to see us is usually a pretty bad sign. So now the soap is starting to look all right. It's not super shiny yet, but I don't want to go too far with it in the bowl here in the water, because it is starting to get a little bit of goop action there. Add a big dunk of water there and see what happens. I think I loaded a Cosmo Barber amount of soap in there, so I'm still sort of picking some of that up. It's kind of hard to get that soap to get fully hydrated. So fortunately, nice quiet day at the medical facility here today. We don't have, like I said, don't have a ton going on, so I'm able to put together a nice little SOTD for you guys, little video. I know the videos are popular, especially during the Lather games this year. So it looks okay. You can hear the construction. It's the reason why everything's so quiet. So let's give this stuff a try and see what we can't.
Paging Gymtasticness. Paging Gymtasticness.
Getting paid.
You are needed in exam room 4. Exam room 4.
Oh, cool. We got a patient. You guys want to check it out? Let's go. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna have to put the brush down. But I'm all ready to go here, like a firefighter. We can. You ever try to put gloves on damp hands? It's like OJ. If the glove doesn't fit. All right. Let's go check out our patient, shall we? Let's see what we got. So we're on our way to exam room 4, and we got our patient there. I'm not sure what the actual diagnosis is yet, but we'll check it out. Here we are. Hi, I'm Gymtasticness. How are you? Good, good, good. Let's see what we got going on here. So you are having some abdominal pain, I see. Yeah? All right, well, let's just go ahead and move over there and let me have a look at what's going on. I'm just gonna have to lift up the gown there. Oh my. We got quite an abscess there. Not again, guys, not again. All right, well, let's just have a look and see if we can't. Oh no, oh God, here we go. It happened. Okay, so it was a pretty bad abscess. I was able to, I was able to get it out a little bit, but it went everywhere. Oh my God, I'm not even sure what to think of this. It's happened again. This stuff, it just pops up, and you don't know when it's gonna be there. You don't know what's gonna happen. I just gave it just the tiniest little squeeze. Oh my God, I've got it on me. Oh, okay. Okay, it's everywhere. We're gonna have to get this. All right, so that's one of the most difficult parts of the job here. So anyway, but unfortunately, my dominant hand is contaminated. So we're going to have to shave with our non-dominant hand today, which is this hand. We don't normally do that, but we have an issue. Feels weird. This razor is terrible. The musk, the cheap musk. Cheap musk is the second worst smelling thing I've smelled today. Although I'm not sure that what I'm smelling is 100% just the musk. All right. Good slickness though. All right, so our aftershave is going to be this Floyd stuff that smells just like the tabac. Floyd menu. I can't pronounce it. See if we can find the. Whew. Dang. Musky. And then our fragrance, Mountain Man. Mountain Man has some aquatic something in there that I just don't like. I don't know what it is, but love me some Sterling, don't get me wrong. But that is stanky. All right, so it was quite the ordeal, wasn't it? So we went with the tabac stick. We went with the where are we at here? Floyd aftershave, the Sterling, the Weishi garbage, and now I gotta go take care of a little bit of a mess. So we'll see you guys on the next trip.